Well, hey folks, and welcome to Jim's Pitch Kitchen. Guess what? I'm making a recipe involving Bisquick, my favorite. It's a bananas Foster shortcake, and that sounds awesome. Let's do it. Grab a bowl. Let's start with 2.5 cups of Bisquick, a 1/3 cup of sugar. I cut up a couple ounces of Brie cheese. You're gonna add that right in there. That's unusual. I'll mix that together. I'm adding about a cup of water and mixing it to create a wet batter. I'm dropping 4 mounds onto a prepared baking sheet. I'm gonna cook these at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Let's get started on that bananas Foster sauce and grab a pan. I need to melt a tablespoon of butter. I've sliced up 4 bananas that I'm gonna saute in that butter for 3 minutes. To that, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of sugar and a cup of brown sugar. And I'm gonna stir that until melted. I'm adding 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. I'm gonna bring this to a boil, stirring constantly. Now I'm gonna reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Those bulbous biscuits are out and cooling. To finish it off, I'm gonna stir in 2 tablespoons of rum. Look at all that Brie inside. I cut the top off the biscuit. Add some of that banana Foster sauce. Pop the top on and add some whipped cream. Bananas Foster shortcake. Wow, that looks decadent. But how does it taste? I'm sure it's gonna be good. It smells so great. That sauce is absolutely stunning. It's a wonderful treat. I think I'm gonna give it an 8.4 out of 10. Where do monkeys go when their tails fall off? The retail store.